Hello. Persian technical analyst is here with the next education video. In this video, I want to go briefly talk about the difference between stock market and the forex market. These are two very important markets, especially in US, Europe. Always there's a question, traders who are interested about trading, or at the first stage of becoming a trader, they are wondering about forex or stock market. First of all, each one of these markets, they have their own characteristics, and this is really important. Before starting forex or a stock, learn about the aspect of trading, because each single of this market, they have their own pros and cons. In my experience, I started working with the forex market because at that time I wasn't able to have an account with a stockbroker, so it was really good advantage to me to start with the forex market, because at that time I would be able to start with a demo account. Still, there is an advantage for the forex market over stock market. You can access to the demo market, you can exercise, you can learn a lot by doing trade in a demo account. Firstly and mainly difference, forex market, it's a continuous market 24 hours a day in 5 days, when you compare with the stock market, which is 8 hours 5 days a week. So there is a lots of opportunity in the forex market. Plus you have the leverage, you have a spread on forex. In comparison, in stock market, you have to pay fees. The other really important difference between these two markets is the fundamentals. Fundamentals is totally different in these markets. The news are different, how the market react, how the traders react, how the charts move, how the news works on these companies. In forex exchange market, really important news like inflation, like Fed rate, like GDP, like sales. In a stock market, like earning, dividend. So totally different. The third one is the advantage of the stock market over the forex market, which is level 2 reading, which you have access to the every single of the orders go through the market. You can see those ones. Tape reading, you probably heard about that if you're familiar with the stock market. This is a very important advantage of the stock market over the forex market. You can see the orders going through the market, going through the brokers, and then you can take the side. The risk is another thing in the forex and the stock market. It's the totally different things. In next sessions, going through the money management, I will teach you about how you can manage your trade, how a percent of your trade you can use on every single of the trade, how much of your capital you can use in your trading. We are not in forex in general. I'm not taking risk over 2% of my whole account. The other thing is short selling in forex exchange market, because mainly you are trading currency pairs. You're buying and selling the currency pairs. You're able to buy and sell really easily. But in a stock, sometimes for some companies, some stocks, you're not able to short. You're not able to short those stocks because your broker don't have those stocks in the hand. The other important aspect of this two markets is forex exchange market. You can easily starting by opening demo account, but in a stock market it's kind of hard. Some broker, they give you 7 days, 14 days, but it's hard. You should go pay for a paper trading. You should go to pay for simulator. So this is really big advantage of the forex market. Second things, it's real account access. Most of the forex market is international. You can access, you can do it by international, but stock market, it's sometimes for some people, some traders in other part of the world, it's hard to open an account, even open a real account, because of the regulation. There's a lots of regulation in stock market. Like for US traders, there is a PDT rule, but in forex market, we don't have that much regulation. We have regulation, but the regulation is pretty easier than the stock market. There is another comparison between forex market and stock market as in this picture. This is really important and this is really interesting. We're talking about the average daily volume of the forex market. You can see this belongs to the 2 years ago. This is not the chart for the last week. It's hard to get in those charts. It's confidential most of the time. Brokers and companies, they don't like it. Obviously, every day this forex market average daily trading volume is going higher. So for example, in this chart we have $5 trillion everyday trading volume compared to the New York exchange market, which is 22 billion, Tokyo stock market 18, London exchange market 7 billion. That's a huge difference between these two markets. The opportunity, I can say, follow the money. And the next chart, I choose this slide for the last slide of this video. It doesn't matter which time frame you're living in. It doesn't matter where are you living. You can find the opportunity to work in this market. This market is 24 hours a day. You can see continuously when the Sydney is gonna be closed, the London market is open. London market goes halfway, the US market is opening, and so on. This is the best. And in next session I will talk about more about what is the best time for trade in the market. See you again.